Hello everyone. I welcome you all in Madan Seni Computer Classroom. In this video, I will teach you about output devices. So before that, I would like to request you to please like and subscribe my channel. So let's take a tour of output devices. Before that, definition. Output devices are those devices that help us to get result out of computers after processing. Now, the types of output. There are two types of output. First one, soft copy output that look like this. The definition of soft copy. A soft copy output is that which we can see through computer, monitors or other output devices screen, and we can modify this type of output. Now hard copy output, you can see they look like this. It's a printed page. A hard copy output is that which we can take and touch physically from computer, but once we take, it cannot be modified like printed page. Next output device, monitors. So let's look on them. Definition is: a monitor is an electronic visual display that includes a screen, electric circuit and the cover in which the circuitry is enclosed. In short, it is also known as VDU or visual display unit. The monitor is main output device in computer. It forms images using teeny dots called pixels that are arranged in a rectangular form. The sharpness of the image depends upon the number of pixels. Now, types of monitor. Types on the basis of size and resolution technology. There are three types of monitor. First, CRT, cathode ray tube. It looks like this. Second, LCD, liquid crystal display. It looks like this. And third one, LED, light emitting diode. It looks like this. Next one, projector. Projector is another output device. It looks like this. A device that is used to project rays of light, especially an apparatus with a system of lenses for projecting slides or films onto a big screen in front of audience. You can see nowadays in the smart class, projector are using to teaching. Okay, next one.
Next output device, printer. Printer is a device that accepts text and graphics output from a computer and transfers the information to paper. Printers vary in size and speed. The output obtained on page is called a hard copy. Types of printer. There are two types of printer on the basis of printing technology: impact printer, non-impact printer. There are three types of impact printer: dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer, line printer. Non-impact printer, there are three types of printer: inkjet printer, laser printer, thermal printer. Let's take a tour of impact printer. First one, dot matrix printer. It's look like this. A type of printer that produces characters and diagrams by striking pins against on an ink ribbon to print closely spaced out dots in the appropriate shape. Important tip: all impact printers are noisy and slower than non-impact printers. These are old type of technology printers. Next one, daisy wheel printer. It look like this. The daisy wheel printers work like typewriters. These printers have print heads composed of metallic or plastic wheels cut into petals. Each petal has a letter, number and punctuation mark structure, and these petals are struck against the printer ribbon to print the pages. Next, impact printer, line printer. It look like this. Line printers is similar in function to the dot matrix and daisy wheel printer, but it can print multiple characters simultaneously in a single line. So we can say that it can print a complete line in a piece of time. Next, non-impact printer. The first printer, inkjet printer. It looks like this. Inkjet printer is recreate a digital image by impaling or spraying tiny droplets of ink onto paper. These are silent and faster than dot matrix printers. It can print faster than all impact printers. Next one, laser printer. It is also a non-impact printer. A laser printer is mostly used with personal computer printers. It uses a non-impact photocopier technology. When a document is sent to the printer, a laser beam draws the document on a selenium coated drum using electrical charges. Most laser printers print only in monochrome. Next one, thermal printer. The last printer, it looks like this. Thermal printers or AIDC printer is used digital printing process on thermal or wax paper. When the paper passes over the thermal print head, the coating turns black in the areas where it is heated, producing an image. Mostly these printers are available with single color ribbon printing. Next one, output device, plotter. A plotter produces vector and directional graphics or drawing. Plotters draw lines on paper using a pen. Plotters are able to produce drawing much faster with higher quality than general printers. Types of plotter. So there are two types of plotter. First one, pan plotter. Second one, drum plotter. Next one, output device, speaker. It looks like this. Speaker is another output device that produces audible output. So speaker help user to listen recorded narrations and songs in the computer. The last one, output device, headphones. Headphone, you can see it looks like this, as you are using all nowadays for multimedia applications. Headphones traditionally refer to a pair of small loudspeaker which can be used as individual by user to listen music and other sound. Headphones are also known as ear speakers and earphones. When headphones combined with mic, then it is known as headset. So thank you all for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel, and please press the bell icon for the notification of new videos. Thank you so much.